This quick video is about how to change your bank account for automatic withdrawal on PayPal, and this process will be same for both iPhone and Android. Okay, first open Google Chrome and type PayPal. Open this and tap login. Then log into your PayPal account. Login. Then tap proceed to account overview. Yes, now we logged in. Now tap these three lines. Then account settings. Now open money, banks and cards. Under bank accounts you can see the added banks. You just need to click this edit option on any one of these bank. I choose the second bank edit option. Now you can see the option automatic transfers. Under this you can see the update option. Just click that. Now select the account you want to get automatic withdrawal. I choose this. Then click save. That's it. Now you successfully changed your bank account for automatic withdrawal on PayPal. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.